Shivan Sukhdev, and today we'll be doing a video about designing a simple homemade water treatment system. As we all know, some water treatment plants can be very costly, especially in larger scales. As such, this is a small scale, temporary fix using recyclable materials that can easily be found around the house, and thus with alternatives stated later on. Thus, for this simple practice, we used 3 differently sized water bottles, a 4-gallon, a 2-liter, and a 500 milliliter water bottle. For the 2-liter water bottle, the top was severed and holes were punched into the underneath of the water bottle to allow for drainage of water. There were 3 layers of cord placed at the bottom within the bottle, then it was stacked into sand for around 10 centimeters, where another thick layer of cloth was placed, followed by another layer of sand, which could have been filled to the top if desired. For the 4-liter gallon, the top was slightly severed, allowing just for indentation to allow the 2-liter to rest within it, thus alleviating the problem of having to wire or install something else to allow the 2-liter to suspend. The 500 milliliter was simply cut to allow for an extra cup as well as a small funnel into the 2-liter bottle. Following the convoluted contraption being built, there's a similarly convoluted solution that was used using the following ingredients that resulted in a similarly questionable appearance. And as such, the solution was passed through this contraption, with revealing the results of a filtrate as seen in the video being shown. Using the solution previously stated, a series of simple home tests were used in order to measure the efficiency of this convoluted contraption. And thus, these are the results of this test showing the filtrate as well as the original solution after passing through these multiple tests. As can be seen when comparing the original liquid to the filtrate, there's a lot less visible oil and grease on the surface of the water, as well as it was clearer, though the filtrate did remain red due to the food coloring. Thus, through these tests conducted, a series of numbers and calculations were recorded and conducted in order to find the relative efficiency of this device in removal of grease and oil and total solids. And as previously stated, there are several improvements as well as alternatives which could have been taken when doing this experiment. One alternative being that of a simple distillation contraption. However, there was the problem of not enough sunlight in order to evaporate the liquid. As such, this idea was put on hold. Another set of improvements that could have been made to this experiment, a different set of materials could have been used instead of bottles. If you did not have sand, gravel, as well as light clay can have been utilized. And